Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Transform My Trading. Today is Wednesday, February the 26th, and we are uh, just about 10 minutes away from the opening bell, and we've got our charts ready. We're ready on a personal level, with psychologically, and with a training mindset to go forward today. Uh, we have been doing pretty good. We've got two funded accounts, and I got a new, excuse me, take profit account yesterday, so you guys could see it on the screen. Everything is pretty transparent here. We do highlight over all of our trades. Our our Bible, I would say, is uh, our spreadsheet where we track our records, our trades, and then that we do not overtrade based on that. Uh, just we are working on creating discipline for ourselves and for people who are joining us and who are struggling within that mindset. So discipline is the key on in trading, especially in success for day trading. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk about, uh, I was going to talk about it yesterday, but we forgot to record the yesterday's session. So I really want to talk about intuition sometime today. Intuition in trading is it's very important, and intuition, it comes to you by through learning. So, and we'll talk more about it as the day goes. I just want to quickly, before the market opens, look at the Forex Factory for any news. Not much of a big news today. Tomorrow and Friday we'll have a couple of big news, so just be aware of those. Um, Today is basically the new home sales and crude oil inventories. They might move the market a little bit, but not a huge thing. And in terms of overall market direction today, this is the day session, the daily charts for NQ and ES, and the markets are within a tight range right now. Of course, the last 3 days it's been going down, and we predicted that up when here when the market was trading around this area. If you guys go back and watch, I believe it was Fridays or Mondays. What day is that today? 20. Yeah, let's see, Thursday's video. We said the market is headed down. There was a double top here, and this one was a triple top on ES. So the probability was going down is pretty high, and it did that. And basically, the market right now is trading in this area in terms of trying to find direction, which way to go. And this is, I'll put that box here. So this is the area that the market is trading right now. It's pretty big area, by the way. I mean, we can still make money through this consolidation area, uh, because the numbers are pretty wild. So, uh, but the market is trying to find direction right now. Let me remove that. And the same thing with NQ. NQ did this, is playing around this box here, and we've had a double top right there. In fact, we had two lower tops below here. This was a good place to go short. And then this one, when it didn't continue higher, it was another short day. So market is a little bit oversold at this point, but there's just still some room to go further down, maybe to this level here on NQ and to about 5,800 on ES. But for today, it might probably just play around as an inside day, or maybe even give us a small pullback on the upside. But let's let the market tell us the story. As I always say, the market is much smarter than us. We can do our analysis and everything, but ultimately the market is going to do its thing. So So that's it for the day for the session. So let's just get ready for uh, the trades today. So for on the charts on the screen, as you guys could see, I've got Ninzarenko 16.2 on NQ, 12.2 on NQ, and I've got 6.1 on ES. We will be trading based on those. In fact, there was a really good trade just right here at the overnight session open. And also look at this level here. All everything was coming together on NQ. The overnight session open, TMT support and resistance level, and TMT support and resistance angle right there. So that was a pretty good trade to go in long. But the market, we've got 5 more minutes for the market uh, to open. So grab your coffees or whatever you have on your hand. Just let's make some money today. All right, the market just opened. Let's update our open price, and then we can trade accordingly. Uh, NQ open 21 to 38.75. And ES open was 59.8725. Most people are tempted to trade the first 5 minutes, which is fine. Uh, I am not. If I really see a good one, then I jump in. Otherwise, I'll wait for good trades later on. There's always the next trade. So do you guys see on NQ on the 1 minute bar, we had huge down, then almost the same size up, another down. So it's a tough market to trade the first 5 minutes because both electronic and manual trading going in. And are you able to make money? Probably yes. But would you want to put yourself in a like roller coaster situation like that? I personally won't. So ES is playing around this tight range right now with between overnight session open, the low, and TMT level. So it's trying to find a direction. If it breaks this low here, then the probability to go low is high. But usually this overnight low, it's pretty strong support and resistance level. In this case, it's acting as support. NQ just touched that level, but NQ wants to break it, and it just did. The market is oversold, guys. So look at the RSI. All right, so on EX, I think that be a good trade if we get it on the upside. So, but I really like this one to go a little further down, but it could it could go on the upside on ES. Let's see if it's going to continue on ES. We had a pullback to the overnight open. NQ needs to break this line in order to go higher. TMT, and it's just doing it, just did it actually. So we called a trade on ES around this level here, around 59, 82, 83 area. It's gone about 9 points from there. Just wanted to give you guys the big picture. We're still within inside day bar for the day, but on both of them. So probably we're going to stay there too, but uh, because the market is trying to find direction. So I have to reboot my computer and Ninja Trader. There is a large lag here on my chart, so that's why it got me in all the way through here. That was the wrong place to go in. So I'll be back, guys. So I'm trading without the trade entry. There's a big lag on that one, so I just did a trade here on NQ. We got in at 95.50. We got out at 87.50, around that area. So I just put a trade on ES right here. As you guys could see on the right side, ES came and found resistance at TMT angle, TMT level, and overnight, I believe that's the overnight high. So that was a pretty good entry right there. Now I got to figure out why it's not printing my entries. Oops. Uh, let's see. So do not apply. So I'll figure out why it's not printing the entries here. So that was a pretty good entry right there. As you guys could see the how the market resisted around that area. Okay, so the market is overbought on ES side on the 1 minute. There's a small divergence, and but this level is acting as a strong support and resistance. So there's you can see how the market is vibrating around this area. There's a lot of fight going on in which direction to go. Based on the RSI, it should go down. So just be careful with your trades there. If you do short the market, your stop should be somewhere up here around 605 plus area. You see how on the 5 minutes you can see how the uncertainty. Look at this bar, it closed up. This the next one, it's in the middle. So they're really trying to find direction. If this thing breaks on the higher side, the next level to go is all the way up to about 60.28 area. So while we're waiting for the market to do its thing, uh, just here on the left side, you guys could see my trades. I've got $315 on one account. That one, we got $100 down, and mainly because I was trading the my first trade was wrong. But the second trade was there was a lag, so it got me in at a really bad time. So it was, uh, let me show you guys. I was using a bot entry system. Anyway, so right now, just to be on uh the word that I want to use is like I feel like I want to chase the market to get that $100 back or to get that account into profit. Now that's most of the traders, that's how they're going to feel when they see a loss right there. So how do you manage that? So I just got up, I went, I got a cup of coffee, I got out of that zone of revenge mentality, and I came back with the thinking process that, you know what, I've got the rest of the day to trade. If I don't have to trade anymore, I'm still fine. But I've got the rest of the day, so I'm going to be extremely careful with my setups and then trade accordingly. And that's what I want to talk a little bit about intuition. Intuition in trading is extremely important. Basically, it puts you one with the market. It makes you understand the market from within yourself and from the market's perspective too. But how do you get intuition? like, were you born with intuition when it comes to trading? Not really. No one was born with it. The only way you gain intuition or you learn about intuition or you become one with intuition in the market is spending time in front of the screen. The more time you spend in front of a screen analyzing the charts, seeing the patterns, and understanding the TMT levels, you will become much better understanding or figuring out, okay, the market is going to this place, the market did X, then it must do Y. So that's when your intuition starts to get better and better. And then you can start trading accordingly. When you are one with the market, you're basically at ease with yourself. You're not stressed out. You're not pressuring yourself to put on trades. You're not chasing the market. You're not doing revenge trading. You don't care about FOMO, missing out on opportunities on a trade. So you're just relaxed. And that's how it's supposed to be when it comes to trading. It should be easy. It shouldn't stress you out that, you're like angry most of the time or frustrated. Trading should be really easy. And when you get to that point, that's when you know you've mastered yourself to become a good trader. And that's what this our program will get you to. Uh, with our system, you've got both the price analysis, time analysis based on WD GAN, and at the same time, we also provide you the trading psychology, the mindset tools to become that positive, powerful, in the zone trader. All right. And tomorrow we'll talk about a couple of things. One of the things I want to talk about tomorrow is incantations. And next week we'll talk about rituals in your trading. Hope this helps. If you guys like the video and if this is helpful, please comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We offer a lot of free information, and our main goal here is to make you a better trader. We do make money. We are satisfied with our system, but it really uh, we get excited to see people succeed in this trading. So that's our main goal going forward. Thank you. So we went short right here at this level when the market came back and touched that level from underneath when and we got our scalping profit, and but the market continued further down. So and look at how on the 1 minute the market was finding resistance vibrating around that level. It was obvious here too when, let me condense this a little bit. Do you see how it was vibrating? It broke, it didn't really go to the next level. Then it broke through it again and just boom, dropped. So that was a pretty good trade. Now, this is what I mean. Just wait for the trades. Let the trades come to you. There's always another market. Okay, so now it's touching this level. We could have done a scalping trade right here, but I believe it's going to break and go further down. So you guys could see live the TMT levels, how they are working beautifully. Now, if it breaks this overnight high here, it should continue to go higher. But let's see. Actually, I've done my 5 trades on NQ, so I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna do any more trades on NQ. I've got 2 more trades on ES to go if I need to. Again, the market is trying to find direction. We are on an uptrend right now. It needs to break this high right here to go higher. And if it does, the probability to go to this level is pretty high. Again, I'm done with my 5 trades on NQ. No more trades on NQ for me. So just want to bring up, I wasn't trading this, but look at on ES how it came down to the TMT level, and that was also overnight high. And when you have those two lines together like that, it's pretty strong support and resistance level. In this case, it was a support, and it went up almost 7, 8 ticks. I mean 7, 8 points. So let's see now what's going to happen. There was another good trade on NQ, by the way, at the reversal right here. Uh, Let me expand this window. Do you guys see how this TMT level right here, it's holding as support? It touched once, it second time, and a third time right here, and it was beautiful reversal right there. RSI was oversold here, and so we got into that trade actually on another account. So, but I am done trading on NQ today. Uh, this that one was a beautiful trade. I just took it earlier, but on a different account. But that's it. I'm not trading. On ES, I've got two more uh, trades left. If I see them, I'll take them. If not, I am fine with it. Uh, Here is our spreadsheet for today. We are at negative on ES, I mean on NQ, uh, but we are at positive on ES. That's why our account is showing positive. This is mostly ES profits. Yesterday, ES was a beautiful day to trade. We actually did some great trades yesterday, but we forgot to record. So, but we had a couple of really good trades on ES yesterday. I'm just gonna keep the screen on. I'm gonna just analyze the market for you guys. I'm not gonna trade, like I said, in Q, but if I see anything on ES, I will call it out. Some people ask me about this Woody's CCI here at the bottom. I put it on there, but honestly, I don't use it much. I don't even look at it much. But if it helps you guys out, you can. I try to keep my charts as simple as possible. I was saying ES is giving us a good short opportunity here, but I wasn't live actually on my mic was off. Uh, and this is a good one to see. Here's So we are at this level here, and on the RSI, you guys could see we had a small divergence here. The market was higher here, we were overbought. This one came back up. Our RSI is lower than this. So we didn't have much uh, our divergence on the 1 minute, but the 5 minute was pretty active. So This was a good pullback trade right here. Now we do have resistance around this area and the angle, so we'll see. It could play around this area for some time, but we'll let the market tell us. And Q, it's playing vibrating around TMT level right here around 21,318. So trying to find direction. You can scalp if you're trading. I mean, just be careful, but you can scalp around these areas. So you guys see how this level here, the TMT level, is acting as extreme resistance. It's touching several times. And so the market is choppy right now. Again, like I said, it's trying to find direction. So there's no reason to trade if you don't have to. So look at how the double top on NQ, it was outside of our ranges, but double tops are strong support and resistance levels. The market there is a huge divergence here. That's a pretty good indication that the market is going to go down. So now the next level it needs to break, it's this TMT support and resistance level. If it breaks below here, then it should go down. Otherwise, again, this level will act as support and resistance. So keep an eye on this level right now. All right, everyone. So about it's almost 8 o'clock, well, past 8 o'clock here in California. We're gonna call it a day. We've done our trades, uh, and we're not gonna chase this market anymore. So we'll come back tomorrow, another new day. So good, whoever took the trades that we called, good job, and go out and have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.